6-cup capacity. Prepare anywhere from 1 to 6 cups of cooked rice, great for small or large meals and for leftovers. ETL Listed. Automatic keep warm. The rice stays ready for serving. The rice cooker automatically switches to the keep warm function after cooking is complete. Nonstick Rice Pot. The Nonstick Rice Pot is completely removable for easy dishwasher cleanup. Dimensions are 10 by 9, 0 by 5.5 inches. Food steaming basket. The included food steaming basket lets you make healthy meals with vegetables, fish, and more. Measuring cup and spoon included. The measuring cup makes it easy to cook the perfect amount of rice, and the plastic serving spoon prevents accidental scratches to the nonstick rice pot. Note: use only the rice cup to measure rice, never a true cup. Volts: 120 volts. Wattage: 300 W. Dinner is easier with the BLACK+DECKER 6-cup electric rice cooker. Cooking takes just 20 to 30 minutes, and the unit keeps the delicious, fluffy rice ready to serve long after cooking is complete with an automatic, keep warm, function. Use it as a food steamer, too. The included steaming basket lets you prepare healthy meals with vegetables, fish, and more. Cleanup is a cinch with a dishwasher safe, nonstick rice pot and tempered glass lid. Plus, you can use the electric cooker to prepare soups, stews, and even oatmeal. With a 1 to 6 cup capacity, this electric rice cooker is great for small and large servings. Dishwasher safe parts. The rice pot and tempered glass lid can be cleaned in the dishwasher. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. Wish I could give 10 stars. I was tired of cooking rice on the stove and having it boil over. This rice cooker is perfect. I used 3 measures using the supplied measure and filled with water to the fill line. Plugged it in and pushed one button. The rice was perfect. No mess and so easy. The cooker is smaller, so if you need more than 3 cups of rice you'll need the bigger size. It's absolutely perfect for the 2 of us and the price can't be beat.